name is Hasna Umar, and today I'm going to be explaining about my sentimental analysis. My internship project is about the sentimental analysis. The sentimental analysis is a process of determining the feeling of the person's expression. It is all about analyzing the sentiment, whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. This kind of analysis will be really helpful in most of the industries, which involves customer satisfaction. Most companies take surveys of feedbacks of their customers to improve their performance in the market. Most of the chatbots in the company's portals are enabled with the sentimental analysis. This can be utilized to predict and address the dissatisfied customers' issues and improve the satisfied customer services. Sentimental analysis can be performed using pre-built cognitive services in cloud. Major IT company giants like Microsoft and Amazon have their own cloud-based analytics engine, which can be utilized by the public using a simple API call. This enables even a basic startup company to incorporate sentimental analysis to their customers. In my future, in my feature of sentimental analysis, I have utilized and built dictionary and utilized the text analytics API from Microsoft to build a sentimental analytics engine. This engine have pre-built dictionaries which are domain specific like medical, communication and insurance. In my model, I have utilized the word engine very specific to customers, which can display positive, negative, and neutral sentiments. In this way, enabling the company to improve their performance in the comparison with their competitors. Sentimental analysis is easily made available by a set of pre-built models. The customizations of some of the major examples of sentimental analysis are when you write with the customer service and they understand the sentiment behind it to address the actual uh, issue. Therefore, sentimental analysis can be a boon to companies involved in customer satisfaction. So my project uh, is all about building such sentimental analysis engine using pre-built cloud API. This can easily be reformed and customized as per the need of the company. Thank you. Hello all. Right now I'll be explaining the code which is made by me for the sentimental analysis. This code is made by using the Microsoft key, which I have rented for a while. And the code has two sentences. It is, I had the best day of my life and I wish you were there with me. So the response I have coded that the response should come whether positive, negative, or neutral. In this way, it analyzes the text and then it gives the uh, sentimental score and the sentiment, whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. The sentimental score is calculated out of 1. Like for positive, as you can see, it has 1.00, which is 1, and for neutral it has 0, and for negative it has 0. For the first sentence it is positive, and for the second sentence it is mostly neutral. In this way, the companies can direct the customer sentiment using this sentimental analysis which I have built. Thank you.